To shrink or not to shrink? That is the question. What's up everyone, this is Wayne from Fade to Black. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. This video I'm talking about shrinking. Now we know there's certain parts of a car you gotta shrink or you're not gonna be able to get that film in. But there's certain areas some people like to shrink and some people don't. Now me myself personally, yeah, I like to shrink most of my stuff. But I'm finding that some areas you don't have to shrink. So let's talk about it. So I know it's a debatable subject on what to shrink and what not to shrink. But I'm finding out in a lot of these newer vehicles, like I got this visor laid up here behind me. It's laying pretty good. So what I'm thinking is I probably won't even need to shrink this one. I have a couple little fingers in there, but when I squeegee it out and lay it out inside and get it on the glass, it'll probably be good. So some of the visors nowadays, you might not need to shrink. Now obviously you got the little small windows on this slider. Those little small windows you probably don't need to shrink either. But now I'm finding out a lot of the flat glass windows, the solid back truck windows, I used to shrink a lot of those. But I started thinking to myself, you know what, let's just try to throw them in there and see if I don't need to shrink. Now, I'm gonna tell you that shrinking will help tighten up the bottom, but a lot of newer trucks too, I'm a hand cutter, so I'll cut the design out, I'll lay it on there, I'll hard cut it out, and then it might be a few fingers in there, but then when I put it inside, I usually can get those fingers to lay down. So some of these back truck solid glasses, you might not need to shrink either. Now, we're talking about the side windows. A lot of people will say, hey, you don't need to shrink those side windows, just lay it in. I personally don't pull panels, I personally don't pull seals. I know some of these truck windows you can probably get in without shrinking them, but you know what? It just takes a little second, it takes a minute. When I double shrink my film, cut the top edge, take it over to the peel board, it only takes like a minute to just tighten that bottom edge up, so when you lay it in the inside, you won't have any issue with fingers or pulling up trash, any dirt, debris. So let's go into the peel board. I'm gonna show you how to shrink that real quick. quick little blast of heat on the peel board when you're kind of trimming your film out will help just give that film more tension on the bottom and lay in better when you do the install. Like I said, some people like to pull panels, some people don't pull panels, some pull seals, some don't pull seals. I'm not gonna get into an argument about that, but I do think that just giving a little bit of heat on the peel board before you stick it in the car will help ensure you don't get fingers and stuff like that. And now I know there are some cars, like even Lexuses or the Chrysler 200s, that have a really strong curve in the glass. So I would suggest, I always do those on the car. You can try to shrink them on the peel board, but I don't think you're gonna get a really good true shrink. So some stuff you do want to shrink on the car, and some stuff you can get away with shrinking on the peel board. Some people don't shrink trucks, so I think that just doing having a little bit of heat on the peel board will just help ensure that when you get in there, you don't have any issues. All right, smash that subscribe button, click that bell so you do not miss any notifications, and I will be back with another video when I get a chance. Stay faded. Thanks for watching.